Have you ever had an argument that began with one small issue, but somehow it turned into an argument about everything? Suddenly, you are no longer discussing what happened today. You are bringing up something from last week, last year, or every other time you felt disappointed. And at that point, the original problem may no longer be the greatest problem. The conversation itself has gone off track. Instead of continuing to defend yourself and assign blame or prove who started it, pause and ask, can you help me understand where things got off track? Now that question changes the purpose of the conversation because you are no longer asking, who is wrong? You are asking, at what point did we stop understanding each other? Now researchers Jessica Salvador and her colleagues studied 73 young adults and their romantic partners. The couples participated in a conflict discussion followed by a cool-down conversation. Now, the researchers found that having a partner who recovered more effectively after conflict was associated with more positive relationship emotions and greater relationship satisfaction. Now, their findings suggest that how people recover after disagreement can be just as important as the disagreement itself. But asking where things went wrong only works when you are prepared to hear the answer. Do not interrupt. Do not immediately explain what you meant. Let the other person identify the moment when they began feeling hurt, dismissed, blamed, or misunderstood. Then say, so when I said or did that, you felt this was no longer a conversation. It felt like an attack. Am I understanding you correctly? Now here is your challenge. During your next disagreement, stop trying to determine who started it and ask, where did we lose each other? Because you cannot repair a moment that neither person is willing to identify. And here is a point to ponder. Are you trying to resolve the original issue, or are you still reacting to the moment the conversation went off track?